Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I thought I would do something a little bit different, maybe kind of like a day vlog, but I'm just gonna finish up getting ready with you. I'm gonna be unboxing and trying on some new jewelry from PDPAOLA, going to Trader Joe's, maybe run some errands, and then take you out to dinner with me later, maybe. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video and see where it takes us. So I did already do like my hair, makeup, and I'm already dressed for the day. Maybe one day I'll do that on camera with you, but today's just not that day. Instead, we'll be completing my outfit with some new jewelry from PDPAOLA, and I'm really excited to share these pieces with you guys. And first, I want to thank PDPAOLA for sponsoring today's video. They have some of the most stunning pieces, so make sure to check out their website if you haven't done so already. And if you find something that you like, I do have a discount code, and I'll link it right over here at the bottom for you. So the first piece that I'm going to show you is definitely the main star because it's one of PDPAOLA's best sellers. So the jewelry comes in this really nice box and also in this dust bag, as you see here. And inside we have the initial necklace in the mini letter M. And of course I got the M for Michelle, and I just love it. It's all in the details, and this necklace is made of sterling silver, 18 karat gold plating with white zirconia stones, and I can definitely see why it's one of PDPAOLA's best sellers. Let me go ahead and try it on for you guys. So I think I'm gonna put it on the second or middle length, and there we go. That was pretty easy to do. Okay, how pretty is this necklace? Let me go ahead and get a close-up for you. Here's how it looks like up close, and yes, this is PDPAOLA's best seller. This is the initial necklace, and I have it in the mini letter M. If you were looking for an everyday piece, or maybe looking for a gift for a friend or a family member, I think this would be a really great option. You can definitely wear this every single day. It goes with every outfit, and it's just a stunning piece to wear. If you're interested in this piece or any of the pieces that I'm about to show you, I do have a discount code, so definitely use it if you're shopping at PDPAOLA. Okay, so I'm definitely going to keep this one on, and then the other two pieces that I wanted to share with you are some earrings. So they also come in these really cute dust bags, and inside the dust bags actually separated into two compartments, which is really nice so that the earrings are not rubbing up against each other. These ones are called the Pirouette gold earrings, and they're also made of 18 karat gold plated brass. I think these are definitely stunning for every day. Let me also try these ones on for you. These ones open in a really unique way, as you can see, and I love that. I just love gold earrings. I feel like they just complete every look and just pull every look together. There we go. Here's an up close of what the Pirouette gold earrings look like. These ones are also just so stunning. These ones are like a chunkier loop, and they have a little bit of weight to them, but they are not that heavy. These ones are just so cute. I think they're gonna be perfect for like everyday wear. And again, these ones are the Pirouette gold earrings. I do think though that the next item that I chose might be a better match for this necklace, so let's go ahead and open up this last piece. And these ones are just the cutest dainty earrings. These ones are called the Motion Gold earrings, and these ones are made of sterling silver, 18 karat gold plating with white zirconia stones. And I think this one will be a better match with my necklace rather than these hoops. So yeah, let's go ahead and try these ones on. Let's go ahead and take these off. Here is a close-up of the earring. How pretty is that? And I think it's a better match with the necklace just because they both have zirconia stones in them. And yeah, I think I'm just about ready to leave the house now. And again, if you are interested in any of the pieces that I shared with you today, I have a discount code, which I have here listed on the screen, so you can save money while shopping at PDPAOLA. I'll also have it in the description box as well for you to refer to. So now that I have all of my jewelry situated, let's go pick out a bag to take with me to Trader Joe's. I don't really need like that big of a bag, but I do want to bring my vlogging camera. I'm thinking of taking my tote bag or my petite noe. I wish I could put a pole, but I can't, so I think I'm gonna go with a more carefree option and go with the Louis Vuitton tote bag that I got from the exhibition. And inside, I'm just gonna carry my mini pochette that has like lotion and lip balm, have my Louis Vuitton key pouch with my car key, my driver's license and credit card, whatever, my vlogging camera case, and also, let's see, hand sanitizer. I will also bring with me another battery just in case, because the camera batteries for the G7X, the Canon G7X, they die pretty fast. So yeah, an extra battery is a must. Okay, so I just got to Trader Joe's, and I hope I don't go overboard because I just got home from the Philippines, and I need a lot of groceries, so let's see what I pick up. Definitely need a cart today. So far I picked up some Brazil nuts for my dad, sweet plantain chips for Joseph, and some of these jerk style plantain chips for myself. Let's get some salmon and some beef. Trader Joe's has some of the best frozen foods. This one is one of my favorites. This one too. And where is it? They have like a cacao pepe noodle, but I don't see it. I guess they're all out today, but darn, it's so good. Okay, I'm a huge fan of these dolmas, and then this is one of my favorite hot sauces, the green dragon sauce. Let's pick up some vegetables. Oh my god! And here is everything that I'm picking up. I usually buy like a lot of my food here or from like Sprouts, but yeah, not so bad for this trip. The sound is muffled in this clip, but basically I'm saying that I only spent $70.22, which isn't too bad for this trip. Okay, I remember these from last year and I remember liking them a lot, so I'm gonna eat them right now. These gummy candies, they're really good, and I just don't know why, but I really like the texture of them. They're X's and O's, obviously, for Valentine's Day. And they're so chewy, soft. I wish they had them all year long. Now we're gonna have dinner here. We're gonna have some Korean food. I love Korean food. I've never been here before. It's our first time, and there's Joseph. What did you order, Joseph?
We ordered the spicy braised short rib in stone pot, the LA galbi, and a seafood pancake.
Yum! Okay, so we got sides, and now we're just waiting for the main dish.
This looks way
This
better
one's
than
a seafood pancake. Yeah, this one looks more crispy. And here's the galbi and the spicy short rib with cheese. Look at that cheese. We're gonna try the seafood pancake first. It's good. What do you think? Yeah? Now we're gonna try the spicy short rib. That is good. Very tender. Lastly, we're gonna try the galbi. Oh. That's really tasty too, and I think I got food. Oh my god. There's still so much food left. And there was 5 left. But it was so good. Okay, so we just got done eating at Umiak, and it was so good. It was our first time there. What do you think, Joseph?
It was worth it. It's expensive, but worth it.
Yeah, it was pretty pricey, but I think it was worth the price.
Family style.
Yeah, family style. The portions were really big, and we definitely had enough food for all of us. And yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end my vlog. Thank you so much for coming with me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.